Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you are doing good. Today's video is all about inflatable family pool which we got from Sam's Club. This is a 10 feet long, 2-tier inflatable pool ideal for families. It has a simplistic blue and white design with honeycomb interior print. Cushioned seats are there for extra relaxation. 3 air chambers for added safety. 2-in-1 walls for quick, easy inflation and deflation. Sturdy construction made from durable, puncture-resistant materials. Drainage plug to drain water efficiently. The approximate inflated size is 120 inches by 110 inches by 18 inches. Electric pump is not included with the product. We need to buy it separately. We used Intex's electric pump and it's really good. If you're looking for an inflatable pool, this would definitely be a good choice. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.